Now remember a 21-year-old Arunachal youth who was abducted by the Chinese troops in March this year now recounts the inhuman torture he had to endure during the 3-week-long captivity. Togley Singkam is a resident of Taksing area that lies along the India-China border. He spoke exclusively to India Today on what precisely happened after he had crossed the LAC by mistake. He says that for 15 days during his custody, he was made to sit on a chair in a dark room, was not even permitted to sleep properly. He was tied to a bed and beaten repeatedly. Beside kicks, slaps, he was even given electric shocks continuously and was forced to confess that he was a spy for the Indian Army. Now, the Indian government and the army had secured to get him released in April this year after taking up the matter multiple times with China. The former Chinese captive also expressing his gratitude to the government for ensuring his safe return to India. Take a look at this exclusive report.
19 मार्च को हम अपना इलाका में था, इंडिया इलाका में, तो वहाँ पे मैं हंटिंग करने जाता था। तो हंटिंग करके वो सब हम खा लेते हैं। तो वहाँ पे चाइना का फौज आया तो अचानक से मुझे पकड़ के ले गया मुझे। तो मुझे बेड पर बांध के आंख बंद करके मुझे बेड पे बांध दिया था मुझे। उसके बाद 1-2 दिन के बाद मुझे सीधा चाइनीज़ के अंदर ले गया गाड़ी पे बिठा के। पता नहीं चला हमको, आंख बंद था क्योंकि और हाथ पैर बंद था। तब पूछताछ हुआ, मारा पीता, इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक जो देना था दे दिया। वो सिर्फ चाइनीज़ वाला वही पूछ रहे थे कि तुम इंडियन आर्मी जासूस है बोल के। तो पर मैं इंडियन आर्मी जासूस नहीं है बोला, फिर भी वो इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक दिया, मारा पीता बहुत है। 19 दिन 15-16 दिन तक मुझे सोने नहीं दिया उसने। चेयर पे बिठा के वहीं पे हथकड़ी पहना के वहीं पे मारपीट हो गया। याद है एक ही रूम पे रखा था, एक रूम पे रखा था जहाँ पे दिन रात पता नहीं चलता था कि ये दिन है ना रात है, हमको पता बिल्कुल नहीं चलता था। सिर्फ बाथरूम के लिए थोड़ा सा टाइम देता था, उसमें सिर्फ नहीं तो कुछ भी पता नहीं चलता।
In Arunachal Pradesh, all along the line of actual control, China has been making several attempts to take people into custody and then prove them to be spy of Indian intelligence agencies. All these haven't served any purpose. On the contrary, it has made a mockery of itself at the national as well as international level. One after the other, there have been cases where the locals have been proven to be innocent and China guilty of it. With camera person Tapas Berry, this is Manogya Loiwal in Upper Subansiri district, Arunachal Pradesh.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.